How to clear cache on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache on Android. To clear the cache on your Android device, you will need to simply follow these steps. If you are clearing cache for individual applications, then first of all open your settings on your device, scroll down from the top of your screen and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings. Now once you open the settings, here scroll down and find application option. Once you locate it, simply tap on this option and inside it you will be able to see the applications. From here now find the specific application that you would like to clear the cache for. And once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it and then you will reach to the app info page. Now here you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate storage option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And in this page, you will be able to locate clear cache option at the bottom right corner. Simply tap on it to remove the cache data for that application. You can repeat this process for any other applications that you would like to clear the cache from. And this will help you to improve the device performance and free up the storage. Also, if you would like to clear the browser cache, open your browser on your device. Here I am going to open my Google Chrome. Once you open the Google Chrome application, here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and then a menu will appear. From here at the very bottom, you will be able to locate the settings option. Simply tap on settings and in this page, look for privacy and security option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and now in this page, look for delete browsing data option. You will be able to see this option at the very top. Once you locate it, simply tap on it. Now in this page, you will need to select this cache, image and files option and at the top right corner, look for all time, select it and then choose a time range. You may also choose all time as default. Now once after selecting it, tap on delete data at the bottom right corner of your screen. This clears cache web files which can help you to speed up browsing and free storage. So this is how you can clear the cache on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.